So, Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 has now been revealed. And let's talk about it. $1,300 each. Pricey for a flippable cell phone, but it does pack a punch. 7-inch AMOLED main display, 4-inch outer the screen, dedicated Moto AI button. Talk about that in a second. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 512 gigabytes of storage with 16 gigabytes RAM, 3 years of software support, 3 months of Gemini Advanced AI Google crap, 50 megapixel cameras, main, ultra wide, and selfie, 4700 millihertz battery, 68 watts wired charging, and 30 watts wireless. Wow. Again, price tag is insanely crazy. Flippable phones, and a lot of people call them fold. They're not folds, they're flippables. Foldables, you can ask that much. For flippables, though, no. Flippable phones have been going down in price tag, and it's been the cheaper the flippable phone you can make it, the better. And we've seen, flippable phones hit price tags of $500, $600, all the way down to $400. And that's a beautiful thing. And we want to see that continuing, going down. Not up, but down. So the fact that this phone is $1,300, I mean, that's expensive. That's way, way, way expensive. I understand it has a lot and it's packing a punch. It's a really good phone. And I 100%, understand that. That's awesome. Shout out to Motorola for releasing a really amazing phone. But it is a circumstance where, Motorola was that company that really kind of had that little special thing about them where they had affordable cell phones. And obviously this is, there's more than just this phone. There's also a smaller variant. But I don't know. $1,300 again for a flippable cell phone, in my opinion, is just absolutely crazy. It is a beautiful looking device. It does look amazing. And yeah, again, like I said, it's just that price tag is, ooh, mama. It doesn't look that much different. I mean, that doesn't look much different from last year's variant. It really doesn't. It does not look that much different at all. And that's the AI button right here. Which, yeah, it's like Google Assistant pops up. It's an AI button. You click the button and then things happen. I mean, I think back in the day, what did we have that on? Older cell phones, we used to have that for, Bigsby, whatever. Like older Samsung phones, you click the button and then AI thing popped up. Yeah. Again, like I said, there will be a non-ultra variant, but it also starts at 512 gigabytes, which I find interesting. So that also does help out with the price tag being so crazy. But I feel like you should give people options to get to 512 gigabyte, and it shouldn't just be like, oh yeah, 512 gigabyte, that's it. Like, no, there should be options to get you there if you want more or you want less. Some people are going to want less, right? Some people are going to say, hey, no, I don't want 512. I'll take less. Yeah. That's expensive, but it's still a great phone. And again, I don't want to take away from the fact that it is a great phone, because it is a great phone. But it's just price tag wise, it's expensive. You're going to arm and a leg, as we always say, arm and a leg to get this phone. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one.